When it comes to doing headlight restorations, try to shift your focus from selling the service to being a problem solver. What do I mean by being a problem solver? Identify a problem and sell the solution. An example would be, a customer can't see at night because their headlights are discolored. Your solution would be, by me removing the oxidation and discoloration from the headlights, I can make it so you can see at night. So you identified their problem and you've identified your solution. So be the problem solver. Another example would be, a customer's trying to sell their car quickly. Well, what you can do is help them increase the resale value by restoring their headlights and enhancing its cosmetic appearance. So you identified their problem of them trying to sell their car quickly. Your solution is you'll restore the headlights to enhance its cosmetic appearance and increase the resale value. So there you have it. Be the problem solver and not that person just selling a service. If you've liked this message, hit the like button and subscribe below so you're notified every time we upload new content. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us.